I'm going to be showing you 5 Amazon FBA deals which are actually selling for a profit right now. And I'll also be showing you the places where you can actually buy them from. And I will be keeping the best deal until the end. So please stick around if you do need help with your Amazon FBA sourcing, because we think this video is going to help you a real lot if you are struggling to find products to sell on Amazon FBA. So welcome back to the Profitl YouTube channel. We're back with top 5 Amazon FBA deals. This is a YouTube series where we show you 5 Amazon FBA products our team found in the previous month. All of these deals are found using our DealFinder software, and then they're sent into our feature called Deal of the Day. And this is where we send in 1 to 2 deals every day into our Discord community to help give our users inspiration on the types of deals they should be looking for, where they should be looking, and just to learn new websites and just help overall with their Amazon FBA sourcing. So although we do say you can buy these, we'd probably recommend not to, just because we have over 5,000 members in our Discord, so they do get seen by quite a lot of people. So probably best just use them as inspiration, find other similar deals from the ones I'm going to be showing you today. So here we are with deal number 1, and this one is from one of our favorite websites for Amazon FBA sourcing at, and that is Notino. So this product we sent into our deal of the day was this Avon Planet Spa Radiance Ritual. We can buy this for £2.60. It was actually slightly cheaper when we sent it because Notino had a discount on, but let me show you the Amazon listing. Here we can see on Amazon it's selling for £6.79. So we're buying for £2.60 and then we're going to sell it for £6.79. Now of course we have fees involved, so it's not all profit in between that. We can see that full breakdown on the Profitl Chrome extension, and we can analyze the data in a bit more detail. So we can see a return on investment of 49%, and this one was giving us a profit of £1.28 per unit. We always aim for 30% return on investment as a minimum. Just gives us a nice bit of wiggle room if the prices do change, but you will find that most deals you can get quite a lot more than that, but they can often start to come down as more sellers come on the listing. So 49%, £1.28 profit per unit, 40 sales per month, split between 8 FBA sellers in total. That may be a little bit more than most sellers like, but it really depends on how you like to run your business, and more sellers doesn't always mean a bad thing. It's just a very popular listing. As long as it's got decent sales and you know you can get it for a good price, so you've got a good chance of winning the buy box, there's no reason why you can't look at products like that. So moving on to our second deal for this week's video, and this one is from NDA Wholesale. So it is technically a wholesaler, but it's sort of wholesaler slash retailer. This is one of a few wholesalers which actually show their unit prices without having to log in. So this one is this Funko Pop Vinyl Spider-Man, which is £4.44 including the VAT, so always look at this price just here. Now heading over to Amazon, we can see this is selling for £13, so straight away we know this is going to be good profit, as we're buying it for cheap, £4.44, and it's selling for over triple the price. So that means for us 80% return on investment, £3.54 profit per unit, 41 sales per month, and look at this, only one other FBA seller on this listing. Now the big downside on this one was that Amazon were also selling on the listing, and Amazon are very hard to compete against, and that's not to say you can't compete against them. It's just very, very difficult, and it's something we don't recommend to do if you are new to selling on Amazon, because most of the time you won't win the buy box against them. There are some listings which you will. That's what we use price graphs for if you've seen our other videos. However, if you are new to selling on Amazon, probably best to avoid products where you are competing against Amazon as well. Now before we did get into our third deal, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive discount code for our YouTube viewers, which is going to save you some money on your Profitl and DealFinder subscription. If you don't know what Profitl and DealFinder is, Profitl is our deal analyze, which you can see on the screen, helps us analyze our deals. DealFinder helps you find your deals. This is where we scrape all of the largest retailers in the UK and the US and put them in a nice central portal to save you hours with your deal sourcing. So if you did want to get this discount code, we'll make it pop up just here. You'll also find it down below in the description. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans do already have over 50% off, so that's a 55% saving. Now onto our third deal, and this one's from another really big retailer here in the UK, and we're hoping you're learning some great new sites where you can source your products from. This one's from Smith's Toys, which I'm sure you're familiar with, and the product is this WWE Basic Series action figure. We can buy it for £9.99. It sells on Amazon for £19.41, so not a crazy return on investment. 35% profit, £3.50 per unit, 41 sales per month, 6 FBA sellers on this listing at the moment. Smiths is a great website for sourcing products. They have a huge catalogue of items. We find absolutely tons of both online and retail arbitrage items on Smiths. I really recommend to spend some time on Smiths website looking for deals on there because you can have some great success. Now moving on to our fourth deal, and this one is from Waitrose. You're probably wondering, is that even possible to find online arbitrage deals on Waitrose website? Well, yes, it really is, albeit they are rarer. They can happen, and you can find deals absolutely everywhere. So don't be put off by the more expensive sites. You can still find deals if you know where to look. So this one we found was this treacle moon shower and bath gel. So we can buy this for £2.65. Now if we head over to Amazon, we can see that one of these is selling for £9.67. So this was a crazy return on investment. 120%, £3.18 profit per unit. Now this wasn't a big seller, it was only selling 18 times a month, but there wasn't much competition. There's only 2 other FBA sellers on this listing, so it did definitely have potential and it would be one worth looking at. So now onto our fifth and final deal, and arguably our most favorite one. And the reason for this is not just because of the deal, but just because of the website we're sourcing it from. This is from Notino, and I know I've shown you a product from Notino already, but Notino is really one of our favorite websites for online arbitrage sourcing. They have such a great collection of products, often running discounts, so you can really find great deals here. This product I'm going to be showing you is this Kalos, if that's how you pronounce it, Hair Pro Tox. We can buy it for £2.90. This was actually cheaper as well when we sent this into our deal of the day. But we can buy it for £2.90. On Amazon, it's selling for £8.49 per unit. It's making a 58% return on investment, £1.67 profit per unit. Really good sales, 71 sales a month, and 4 other FBA sellers. Now, when I'm running you through these figures on the Profitl Chrome extension, these are the very basic things we look at when looking at potential FBA deal. Before we do actually buy one, we do go into a real lot more detail about what we're going to buy. We're looking at price graphs, we're looking at warnings, we're looking at the stock levels of our competitors, because what we don't want to do is we don't want to make a bad buy and we get stuck with stock. So what I'm showing you today, looking at the sales, the return on investment, how much competition we have, is really just the basics. So there we have it. That's top 5 deals. We hope you found that video helpful, and we hope you've learned some new websites you can source from, and it's just giving you inspiration on the basics of Amazon FBA sourcing. That video is not there to make you think that FBA sourcing is easy, because if you do start, you are going to find it hard, but as of anything, if you can stick with it, it really does become easier. But thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.